Hi, in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a digital badge in Adobe Illustrator. Our badge design will be in a form of medals and ribbons attached to them with different colors each. For this lesson, there are several primary tools that we are going to use. They are the Star tool, the Polygonal tool, and the Rectangle tool in drawing the shapes. We will add the text by using the Type tool. Additionally, we are also going to use the Shape Builder tool to manipulate the shapes. Let's begin by creating a new document by going to the File menu and choose New. Set your artboard size and we can start working on our original illustration here. Select the Star tool from the toolbar. Choose a color in the color picker and press OK. Click anywhere in your artboard and you'll get this window. Set the points to 30. By default, when you draw the star, they will result something like this. Let's delete them and create stars that are similar with our badges. To do this, click and drag in your artboard without releasing your mouse. Hold the Control key in Windows or Command key in Mac and slowly drag the mouse to expand the star shape. Release the mouse once you are done. Use the Transform tool to select and move any objects in your artboard. Next, select the Rectangle tool, pick a different color and press OK. Click and drag in your artboard to draw the rectangle. Now, select the Polygonal tool. Click and drag in your artboard without releasing your mouse. Your polygon may have different numbers of sides here. You can adjust them by pressing down or up arrow keys. In this case, I am pressing the down arrow key several times until I get this triangle shape. Use the Transform tool to place the triangle on the rectangle and resize the triangle until it matches the rectangle's width. Select both of the shapes and choose the Shape Builder tool. Press the Alt key where you'll see this minus sign on the cursor. Then, click the triangle which will produce this ribbon shape. Move the ribbon on the top of the badge shape and rotate it. Click right on the ribbon and choose Transform Reflect. We are going to duplicate the ribbon in vertical position, so click Copy. Right-click the medals and choose Arrange, Bring to Front. Rearrange all shapes properly before inserting the text. Once you are satisfied, select the Type tool, pick a color, and type the badge name. Use the Transform tool to resize your text. Great! You have completed your first badge. Select all shapes and reposition and resize the badge. To duplicate, hold the Alt key and drag your mouse to the side. Again, hold the Alt key and drag your mouse to the side to create another copy. Go to the Type tool to highlight the text you want to modify. Resize and place accordingly. Do the same for the third batch. To change their colors, begin by selecting the second batch. In the Properties panel, pick a color in the Fill option. Do the same for the third batch. Finally, we are going to export these badges into separate, transparent PNG files. To do this, select the first batch, go to the File menu, and choose Export Selection. In this window, uncheck this mark under the asset and press Cancel. Select the second batch and repeat the same process. For the third batch, this time you'll need to check all assets, set your destination directory, and press Export Asset. You have successfully generated all your digital badges.